Join me as I take on the challenge of juggling my freelance work while keeping my family life in check. Let's see if I can find that perfect balance. When it comes to being a freelancer, we all know that having a perfect balance between work and family life is crucial. With the rise of the gig economy and digital nomadism, it's becoming increasingly common for people to blur the lines between work and personal life. But how do we actually make it work? How do we keep our clients happy while still being present for our loved ones? As freelancers, we often wear multiple hats. We're the CEO, the accountant, the marketing team, and the customer support crew all rolled into one. It's no wonder that our work responsibilities can quickly creep into our personal lives, making it difficult to maintain a healthy work-life balance. I mean, who hasn't checked work emails during family dinner or responded to client calls during a weekend getaway? It's tough to disconnect, especially when we're passionate about what we do. But the consequences of neglecting our personal lives can be severe. We risk burnout, strained relationships, and a general feeling of being overwhelmed all the time. No one wants that, right? So, what can we do to avoid this chaos and maintain a sense of harmony between our work and family commitments? One major challenge is setting clear boundaries between our work and personal lives. When we work from home, it's easy to get sucked into work mode 24/7, but that's not sustainable in the long run. Another challenge is prioritizing tasks effectively, so we're not wasting time on non-essential activities. And let's be real, dealing with family responsibilities can be unpredictable. Kids get sick, partners need help, and life just happens. So, how do we overcome these challenges? Well, one strategy that's worked for me is setting a dedicated workspace at home. It's not just about having a separate room or desk, but about creating an environment that signals work mode to my brain. I also prioritize my tasks using the Eisenhower matrix, which helps me focus on the most critical tasks that need attention. And when it comes to dealing with family responsibilities, I make sure to schedule regular breaks throughout the day to recharge and be present for my loved ones. Another game changer for me has been using tools for organization and time management. I use project management tools to keep track of my tasks and deadlines, and a shared calendar with my partner to ensure we're both on the same page. I also make time for self-care, whether it's a morning meditation session or a quick workout during lunch. It's all about finding a rhythm that works for me and my family. I still remember the time when my daughter was sick, and I had a critical project deadline to meet. I was stuck between taking care of her and meeting my clients' expectations. It was a tough moment, but I realized that I had to prioritize my personal life. I rescheduled my deadline, took care of my daughter, and still managed to deliver quality work to my client. It was a turning point for me, and I learned that setting boundaries and prioritizing my well-being was essential to achieving a better work-life balance. In conclusion, achieving a better work-life balance as a freelancer requires intentional effort and strategy. By setting boundaries, prioritizing tasks, and utilizing tools for organization, we can create a more harmonious relationship between our work and personal lives. Thanks for tuning in, guys! If you're a fellow freelancer, I'd love to hear your own tips and strategies for managing work and family chaos in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about productivity hacks for freelancers, be sure to check out my next video.